Hi everyone, welcome to CSV YummY recipes. Today I'm going to prepare Kaddu or bottle gourd halwa. For this I have taken a small size Kaddu. Now I'm going to peel it and grate it.
Next, I have taken a few cashews and raisins. Next, I have taken 1.5 teaspoon ghee or clarified butter. And to this, I am going to add this cashews. Fry them for 2 minutes. They are about to turn to golden brown. I am transferring it to a plate. Next I am adding this raisins. Keep it for a minute and then transfer it to a plate now. To the same pan, I am adding this grated kaddu. Fry it for 5 minutes. Keep stirring it. Next, I'm going to add full fat half cup milk. Mix it well and cook for 5 more minutes again on medium flame. Next, I'm adding 3 crushed cardamoms. Mix everything well and continue to cook till the milk gets totally absorbed. Keep stirring it in between. The milk is almost dried up. The milk is totally dried. At this point, I am adding 2 tablespoons honey. I am not adding sugar or jaggery. To make it more healthy, I am adding honey to this. If you want more sweetness, you can add more honey. Yeah, after adding honey, I have cooked it for 2 minutes. On low flame, I am adding this fried cashews and raisins in the beginning. Add it, mix it well and switch off the flame. And this is ready to serve now. On low flame, I am adding this fried cashews and raisins in the beginning. Add it, mix it well and switch off the flame. And this is ready to serve now. This is ready to eat now. Thanks for watching.